with you the best hosting plan and the best hosting that you can have on the internet, and how you can design a simple WordPress website just in a matter of few minutes. And it's very, very simple. And before that, I'm going to show you how you can host your site in a very simple way. I'll be introducing to you Bluehost. Right? In the link of this video, there's a link where you can get this option for your web hosting, and it's fast, it's reliable, and it is very fantastic. I personally use it and I highly recommend it. Okay, so without much ado, let's hop in right away and see what it feels like to get your Bluehost plan. Right? So I would recommend you go for the plus. Of course, it gives you unlimited websites, unlimited website space, bandwidth unlimited, and lots more. Okay, and you have great value with this particular package. So this I always recommend for my students. Right? So you select the plan here. Okay, and here you just choose the domain name of your choice. Let's take, for example, we can take like big in the nation, just for example. Okay, and then try that. Alright, so here, get to this point, just enter your name, your last name, your business name, your country, your details here, and choose a plan. Okay, you can choose the 36-month plan or the 12-month plan or the 24-month plan, depending on your budget and depending on the money you have. Okay, and once you do that, okay, you may not need domain privacy protection. Of course, it's very important. You need this this option. You can set not to use it. You can set not to use this, and just proceed. Okay, so let me try to work with the 12-month plan and see what we're gonna have here. Okay, I proceed, and then I enter my account, my credit card details here, and I'm able to get this hosting. So once you get this hosting, now let's log in into our dashboard, and I'll show you how you can build a website just under 10 minutes. Very easy and very fast. Okay, alright, let's do this. Alright, so once your account is set up, you're gonna be having this kind of dashboard. Okay, so let's log into our WordPress and start creating our website in just a few minutes. Okay, very fast, very simple, very easy. Alright, so once we are here, alright, you can see just have your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard has already loaded. So I'll be introducing to you a plugin that you can just use very fast to design a website in just a few minutes. Okay, so we'll go to Themes and okay, select Themes, and then so we'll click on popular themes, and here we select Astra, which is very easy and simple. That's the theme we're going to be using. Install, and it's installing. Okay, done. Then let's see, activate. Okay, so we click on theme details. Right, so when we click on theme details over here, we're going to see Astra options. Right, so we'll click that. So yeah, you will see install importer plugin. So you just do that, install it. Alright, so once you're done, you see this option, C library, you click on that. So once you click on C library, you see, click on Elementor. Okay, and so we have lots of templates here. So I'm just gonna choose one and upload it, and let's see. So I kind of like this one here, and print. Boom. import the site. So Viola, I have a new website. Okay, so I can see the about page, can delete anything I want to delete. Okay, you can see that it's a matter of just click this, type, edit with Elementor. So you can see, just very easy. You can here change it to whatever I want it to be. Just come here, change, and can delete whatever I want to delete. Very simple. I can just change this history. Very easy. I don't need to do any work. Just copy and paste and change whatever I want to change and save it. And you can see I have a full functioning website. I can change the image here. I can change the pictures. I can change whatever I want to change. And Viola, you have a new website. You can see service pages already built. Everything's built already, so I can just easily change anything that I want to change at any point in time. Alright, so I hope you got some value from this. So if you really want a very detailed tutorial on how to build a website, somewhere in the description of this video I'm dropping a link where you can actually access my full tutorial on how to design a full website. But I hope you got some value from this. It's very simple, it's very easy and very fast. You can begin to build your website just in a matter of 10 minutes. So guys, I hope you got some value in this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next videos.